Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you exactly how to make money using the Brave browser in 2025. If you are browsing the web daily and not earning anything for your attention, this video is for you. Brave is a privacy first browser that actually pays you in crypto just for seeing ads and using the web like you normally do. Let's dive in and I will walk you through everything step by step. So what is Brave browser? So Brave is the fast open source web browser that blocks trackers and ads by default. But here's the twist. Brave Rewards allows you opt into ads and get paid in BAT, basic attention token, a real cryptocurrency. Instead of tech giants taking all the ad money, you get a piece of it for your attention. Brave is available on Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS. Let me show how to get started. So first of all, you just need to go to the brave.com and download the browser for your device. Let's click on get Brave and then download the Brave, and it already been downloaded in here. So once installed, first of all you just need to be install this one. Just click the app and then it will give you the process where you can easily install this one. Just click yes, and once you did, then here it will take a couple of minutes. So you are just 16 away from the best privacy online. So once you did, then here on your mouse get set ready. So once it's done, then I will come back in here again. So here you can see connecting the internet. So you can see the procedure in here. So it will take a couple of minutes for the waiting to download again. Also, if you see the browser here, it is available for Android and iOS. Then the feature you will get Shields, VPN, Live AI, wallet, and rewards. Then also you will get features like playlist, news, track, advanced privacy, and all. If you want to see the all feature option, you just need to click over here. Once you did, then you will eventually see the all features in here. So here you will see wallet is self-custody crypto wallet and passport to Web3 build the security for Brave Usernet. No extension required. Then firewall VPN. Protect every app on every device, even outside the Brave browser. Available across desktop, Android, and iOS. Then talk, unlimited private video calls built right into your browser, no extra downloads, no tracking. Then news. So our Brave already been installed. So here once installed, open Brave and go through the setup process. You can import your bookmarks and passwords from Chrome or Firefox, so switching in easy. So right now I will click OK, and then you can import all of them in here. You can choose all of them if it is needed. I will click escape, maybe later. Let's click finish, and here actually it is ready. So now you just need to go to the Brave rewards panel. In here you will find out this one rewards panel. You just need to go over here and you can find it clicking the bat icon into the top right corner, join rewards hour. So here you just need to join in here. So open rewards panel, just click this one, and from that panel you just need to start using Brave rewards. Just click this one and select your region. So I am going to select my region. I'm from the country of Bangladesh, so I'll click this one, then click continue. Once I did, woohoo, you're all set. So now you can get reward for viewing ads. You are helping make the web a better place for everyone, and that's awesome. Just click done, and here you can see you just need to be connect account. So how Brave ads work? Brave does not show any video ads or banner. Instead, you would see small non-intrusive notification in the corner of your screen. Every time you view one, you earn a small amount of BAT tokens. You can customize ad frequency up to 10 ads per hour by going into setting Brave rewards. So the more you browser, the more you can earn. It is impressive and seamless. You don't need to clicking anything. So here, let's say you just need to be connect account. So connect wallet to get paid. To withdraw or use your earning, you need to connect wallet. In 2025, Brave supports Brave wallet built-in uphold or giving may vary by country. Just click on the wallet option in the Brave rewards panel and sign in to create an account. So here, you just need to click over here. You will see there is a couple of options. The partner you can see. Then here you will find out the community. So I will click over here, connect account. So they are telling us to uphold currently not available in my region. Choose where you would like to receive. So here let's go back in here, so let's find it out which one will be the good one. So I am going to click on this one, and then about region, so I just need to find it out which region is good. So here we have a couple of things. So Gemini supported region, uphold multiple regions, Ciplo, Bitflyer, Japan, JP, then here uphold in this country Japan. How is the country of my account determined? So in general your country is determined by the country and ID comment. So here I am getting a problem, but when you are from another country you will get this one. Just click on the wallet option in the Brave Rewards panel and sign in and create an account. Verify your identity. KYC may be required, and once connected your monthly BAT earning will be deposited automatically. How much you can earn? So earning vary by country and how many ads you view. Most users earn between $2 to $10 per month just for regular browsing. It is not life changing, but it's free crypto for doing what you already do. Some users track this by using Brave on multiple devices like phones and laptops, each with their own profile. Then other ways to earn with Brave, besides ads, there are a couple more ways to earn Brave creator programs. If you have a website, YouTube or X, formerly Twitter account, you can register as a verified Brave creator. People who visit your content using Brave can tip you back directly. This is great for content creator and bloggers. Like if you come over here, you will need to search a Brave creator, and you just need to connect your account through this one and more your content you publish onto the web. So this way you can do it. Then referral program. So in the past years, Brave offered crypto rewards for preferring new users. As of 2025, the program is not active, but it may return. So keep an eye on accountants. What to do with your BAT? Once you have BAT in your wallet, you can hold it as an investment, convert it to other crypto like Bitcoin or Ethereum using uploaded exchange, tip creators you enjoy online, or even cash out to your bank account if your wallet supports it. BAT is a real traveler asset, and you can track its value on sites like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Like search for CoinGecko in here, CoinGecko, and then you can see the BAT in here. Let's go over here, CoinGecko, and from that place I will search the BAT. So here you can see this is the basic attentions like BAT, and here you can see the increase. So 1 BAT is equal to this. So here if I go over this place, you will see a couple of things like here compared to BTC, you will see the comparison. Then if you convert BAT attentions like BAT to crypto, like here crypto exchange, and here elevated crypto exchange. So here you just need to choose that one wisely, and then you can do it. So now let's talk about what to do with your BAT. So once you have BAT in your wallet, you can hold it as an investment also. So that's how you can start making money with Brave browser in 2025.